Greetings from Ahmedabad Family Physician Association. I welcome all the delegates in AFK Gujkon 2021, a conference of Gujarat State Family Physician Forum hosted by AFPA under parent body Federation of Family Physician Association of India and supported by Academy of Family Physician of India. We are in an era where the advancement in technology has completely changed the perspective of healthcare. Healthcare has shifted from being reactive to protective. In this COVID pandemic, the developed Western countries like UK, USA, Italy are having difficulties in handling the situation because of sudden overload of patients. I think in India we have managed in a better way. Of course, the innate immunity of Indian played a major role in it. But I would not be exaggerating if say the management was not possible for our country without family physicians like us. We family physicians have provided basic treatment to a patient who did not require hospitalization. We helped them remain home quarantine and guided them to get admitted when required, which has helped to reduce the load on big hospital, whether managed by government or by private sector. We are the basic unit of healthcare facility. We have to deal with each and every branch of medical fraternity. So it is essential to upgrade our knowledge. There is a beautiful quote by famous physicist Stephen Hawking. The greatest enemy of knowledge is not ignorance. It is the illusion of knowledge. So these 2 days are opportunity to update our knowledge, which would otherwise take a year of reading and attending the meeting. We have series of lecture on topic like hypertension, diabetes, post-COVID complication, chikungunya, DVT, common ophthalmic problem, recent advances in cosmetology and endoscopy by renowned speakers from all over the country. We have also included lectures on how to use technology in our day-to-day practice. It would help us in better patient care and keeping health records. There is also a panel discussion on challenges in family practice. I request you to join us, give your inputs and make it very interactive. In Hall B, we have kept there 3 lectures for spouse on salad decoration by Mrs. Hemanti Jardos, grooming tip by Mrs. Rajika, and Love You Jingi by Dr. Piyush. I request all of you to join tonight at 9 p.m. for inaugural function. Dr. J.S. Lele, Honorary Secretary General, IMA Headquarters, is with us as an invited guest. Please don't miss listening to our chief guest, Dr. Ved Prakash Mishra, a BC Roy awardee who is also a national head on Indian program and Department of Education. He is a member of the International Committee for Bioethics for Asia Pacific region in UNESCO. He will bless us with a mesmerizing oration on the topic how to overcome the obstacles in life. The real icing on the cake is our entertainment program Mile Sur Mera Tumhara, which will be conducted by Dr. Jayendra Kapadia. In this COVID pandemic, we have lost our beloved Dr. Sandeep Dave. He was a very enthusiastic and dynamic person and was dedicated to our association. We have also lost our office staff, late Sri Ramikaka and late Sri Prakash Thoria, who were actively involved in our administrative work. In their loving memory, we have kept the name of Hall A, late Sri Dr. Sandeep Dave Hall, and Hall B, late Sri Ramikaka Hall, and registration desk is named after late Sri Prakash Thoria. Now I conclude. Please remain digitally connected for these 2 days and be a part of AFPA and GSFPF family. Jai Hind, Jai AFPA, Jai GSFPF, proud to be a family physician.
Very good morning to all dear fellows. I, Dr. Abhay Dixit, the President of Gujarat State Family Physicians Forum, welcome you all in this virtual conference of AFPA GUJCON 2021 and which is hosted by Ahmedabad Family Physician Association. You all might have enjoyed yesterday's academic feast and the guest lecture. We have tried to give you the different type of experience of virtual conference, and I hope that you all are enjoying it. Our association is very much popular about the scientific, the academic material, and the high-tech applications. Hope today's conference you all will enjoy a lot also. Once again, I welcome you all the delegates, not only from Gujarat, but all over the India, and the faculties, the eminent faculties. One thing I want to say that we have selected the topics and the faculties in such a way that all the practitioners have got the updated knowledge about the day-to-day practice. So I also welcome all the faculties, again, not only from Gujarat, but all over the India. Without wasting much of time, I hand over the mic to the MOC for the further proceedings. Thank you. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
Dear friends, Namaskar. It gives me immense pleasure that Ahmedabad Family Physician Association is organizing GUJCON 2021. Ahmedabad Family Physician Association is the most vibrant and most active branch. In the era of Corona, this virtual conference is held. That is the best part of this association activity. I wish this conference a grand success. Thank you very much.
એપીએ ગુજકોન 2021 ગુજરાત ફેમિલી ફિઝિશિયન અને એપીએના સંયુક્ત ક્રમે થઈ રહેલી વર્ચ્યુઅલ કોન્ફરન્સના માનનીય પ્રમુખ શ્રી જયેશ લેલે સાહેબ, ગેસ્ટ સ્પીકર ડૉક્ટર વેદપ્રકાશ મિશ્રા સાહેબ, ગુજરાત સ્ટેટ બ્રાન્ચના પ્રમુખ ડૉક્ટર અભય દીક્ષિત, એએપીએના પ્રમુખ ડૉક્ટર સાણંદિયા, એએપીએ અને ગુજરાત ફેમિલી ફિઝિશિયનના સેક્રેટરી ડૉક્ટર પ્રજ્ઞેશ વંશરાજાની, ટ્રેઝરર ડૉક્ટર મેહુલ સેલત તેમજ એએપીએ ગુજકોન વર્ચ્યુઅલ કોન્ફરન્સ મીટના દરેક મેમ્બરો. કોરોના કાળ પછી આ એક સુંદર કોન્ફરન્સનું આયોજન થઈ રહેલ છે તે બદલ હું આયોજકોને ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન આપું છું. અને આ આયોજનની સુંદરતા એ છે કે તેમાં એક પહેલા નંબરનું એ કે ગુજરાત સ્ટેટ ફેમિલી ફિઝિશિયન અને એએપીએ બંને પોતે સંયુક્ત ક્રમે આ કોન્ફરન્સ યોજેલ છે, જેમાં એએપીએ એ હોસ્ટ તરીકે છે. અને બીજી સુંદરતા એ છે કે તેમાં જે સબ્જેક્ટ આવરી લેવામાં આવ્યા છે તે એક ફેમિલી ફિઝિશિયનને દરરોજની પ્રેક્ટિસમાં જે રીતે એક પોતાના જ્ઞાનનો વધારો કરી અને દર્દીઓને સારી સેવા આપી શકે એવા સબ્જેક્ટ છે. એટલે કે હાલની જે પરિસ્થિતિ છે એની અંદર જે પણ આપણે જ્ઞાન જોઈતું હોય કે ભાઈ જ્યુડિશિયલી કેવું થશે અથવા તો આપણે ઇમરજન્સીમાં આપણે પ્રેક્ટિસ કેવી રીતે કરી શકીશું એ એ એ એક સુંદર એમણે બધા જ સબ્જેક્ટનું આયોજન કરેલ છે. તો તે બદલ હું આયોજકોને ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન આપું છું. અને આ આયોજનમાં અને આપ એની અંદર મને આમંત્રણ આપ્યું તે બદલ હું આયોજકનો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનું છું. થેન્ક યુ.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome you all on this academic feast of AAPA GUJCON 2020-21. On the behalf of organizing committee, we heartily welcome all the delegates from across India. Thanks to special mention and thanks to our parent organization, Federation of Family Physicians Association of India, and supporting organization, Academy of Family Physicians of India. So we are quite thankful to you for extending the support to this academic feast and use of the logo in the proceedings of the conference. In this 1.5 day conference, which is obviously a virtual in nature, and we have tried to use the best of technology and to bring in the best of speakers and best of talent across various specialities, and of course the leading family physicians across India. And our focus is to more and more develop family physicians and take it to the newer heights in the coming decades. How we family physicians are important, that was proven beyond doubt since years together. But this current pandemic has highlighted the need of the robust primary care infrastructure in the country. And we, the leaders in the field of family physicians, assure you that we'll do our best to lift family physician to the newer heights day in, day out. And at the same time, it is the duty of members to attend such academic events and to keep them abreast with the latest in the knowledge of medicine. So once again, thanking all of you for joining. Thanks all the esteemed guests for being with us, and the esteemed faculties for sparing their valuable time. And of course, thanks the delegates and the technology platform provider and Lesco Technologies for making this event a wonderful event. Thank you very much.
Namaste, my name is Dr. Raman Kumar and I am the President of the Academy of Family Physicians of India. I'm also President of WONCA South Asia region. WONCA, as we all know, is the representative of family doctors across world, representing some 120 member organizations from 130 countries. Family physicians have been on the forefront of COVID pandemic fight, and we have been providing our services through this pandemic period to the patients and the communities. And now it is indeed a great pleasure to see that family physicians are bouncing back to their routine academic activities. And I congratulate Ahmedabad Family Physicians Associations and the Family Physicians of Gujarat for organizing this wonderful, a very practical oriented conference. I send my best wishes to all of you. It is also time to remind us about the future of family physicians, the new generation of family physicians in India, and that can happen only through its integration with the mainstream medical education system. As many of us would be aware that now family medicine is an integral part of our National Health Policy 2017, and even the new National Medical Commission NMC, which has come into force, in its one of the mandates is to promote family medicine at UG as well as PG level. And as family physician family, we must come forward to support the change and reforms in the medical education system so that this vocation is valued and taken up by the new generation of family physicians. So I thank all for giving this opportunity to interact with you. Thank you very much, all organizing committee members and family physicians of Gujarat and Ahmedabad. Thanks a lot.
Dr. Abhay Dikshit, President, Gujarat State Family Physicians Forum, as well as Federation of Family Physicians Association of India. Dr. Dhiren Sanandia, President, Ahmedabad Family Physicians Association. Dr. Pragnesh Vachrajani, Honorary Secretary, GSFPF and AFPA. And Dr. Mehul Shelat, Treasurer, AFPA. It's a proud moment for all of us that you are organizing AFPA GUJCON 2021. But for the lockdown, I would have loved to enjoy this conference physically, which I have done in past. However, on behalf of various doctors and medical associations in Mumbai, I congratulate you and wish this conference a great success. Thank you.